good stuff.
That was very nice.
What?
Angel said she knew that was going to be dead.
Oh, that's why it's dead.
But she didn't bring the jump
That's not.
Right.
But she knew.
That's not why it's dead. It's dead because
Apparently,
the battery is notorious for being dead.
Today we're going to be testing this out. Real life, real world situation. Straight out of the box. Let's see what she's all about. Is it charged? I don't know.
Hope so.
We'll find out.
On the next episode.
Stay tuned. If this happens to work and you'd like to buy one, I'll put a link in the description. Alright. Boost. It works. Do you think this will work? I do. Pointed at I don't know what, I can't see.
Just go straight like that. Just a little bit. It didn't fit very good. That's why if we had a 12-point, it'd probably go on easier.
Right.
You don't have any sockets laying around with it.
No.
They'd go home and look for one, but you'd just keep beating on that one, so...
Yeah, you're right about that.
It'd be a waste of time.
Yep.
So I'd rather just sit here and watch.
You're not even really watching.
Maybe you should put this one on there. I know it's different, but it's the same.
Where'd that come from?
Oh,
the Ford.
You know.
Right.
Just try it.
Sure it wasn't an American size you used?
I don't know what it would be. The one I had at home, we just drove it over the edge of it.
Oh, you can tell.
Yeah. It never really went on. We just, they were tight. Yeah, see? Just don't be afraid to hammer it on, you know? Worried about metric, American. I think what makes it fit is that hammering brand. Whew.
Well, that's when we get paid the big bucks. Look at this. Dangerous work.
One of the deadliest jobs on any channel. Anytime you decide to work on a Ford. Oh man, let me just
just get the jack out. I'll get this.
Well, my job here is done.
A quarter of the way done. Yeah. Well, maybe eighth of the way.
Well, you gotta paint these up, you got powder coated. So I got time.
Yeah, I'm done. Going for that patina look. It's so hot these days.
You need me to work the air yet, or are you good?
I quit.
Already? We're almost done. Aren't we? I thought. Oh man, it won't roll now. Tight turn.
Oh, the brake's gonna play.
Oh man, jeez.
Don't watch that, Gerald.
You didn't tell me about that.
Gotta paint it anyway.
The upper part. Man, this is. Man, my good jeans too. Fuck, I forgot to change.
Whatever.
I did.
I'll buy you a pair.
Don't tell Christina. Don't tell Christina.
Christina!
Matt, make it work on my good jeans. I can't.
One new sweatshirt coming your way.
Oh, shikes. Should be right in there somewhere. Can't wait to.
You might need some help lifting that up.
I was wondering.
If you can
Yeah, if I could do.
take it up there and I'll put a nut on it.
I doubt it.
That's pretty heavy. Maybe we should put it on the jack. Yeah, I've seen you. He's not quite the man you used to be back when we started this an hour ago.
That's not weird. Listen, will you just get up there and be prepared?
Okay, yeah, I'm ready.
You're gonna have to align it too.
Yeah, I got it. I'm all over it.
Fuck, I got this part. Oh, see, it's going the wrong way already.
Well, I drove it over here.
Hey, listen, no more jokes, okay? This is where it goes wrong.
I'm just sitting here
Trying to
ready.
make me laugh when I'm trying to do this shit.
Oh, lost.
Man, you got one of them?
Yeah.
You got the plate under it?
Yeah.
Oh, man,
Can't see where it used to be, but I got it up there.
all right. All right, go ahead.
That does look kind of heavy, doesn't it?
It's quite the brake spot. Yeah, brakes feel good though. I bet there's probably enough there to adjust it out. Because this one's not that bad. Mainly that one. This one is too, but.
This side's bad.
Like in order for this wheel to be straight, it needs to be like right here. This wheel's straight. Steering wheel's not straight, but steering wheel's straight right here. So we're gonna have to adjust them both.
Yeah.
Well, we know they're axle different.
Well, the brakes work better, Matt said, so it's good for the purpose of the swap today. We were probably going to do it anyways, but
Posy time. Fuck, I thought you said you had this. Is the white paint the same as the blue? Because it's smudgy too.
I don't know what happened. After about 5 hours, we got the hood to align pretty good. To where it fits the hole really nice without the latch. Before the latch is pulling it over, making it all weird. But at least now it's got 302.
Alright, so we don't have to do the motor swap.
Right. Don't have to swap anything else. We did an alignment. Haven't driven it yet, but I'm pretty sure it's perfect.
That's awesome. Of course it is.
And I gotta get tires put on these wheels. For now, I gotta put the other wheels back on. Gotta swap the rear end.
This white hood's for sale for $50.
Yep, you can have the old hood from this for $50. Or free.
Sway bars for $10.
Right. 4-cylinder sway bar. Yeah, things are really moving along here. Jim wants to swap over the fenders in the front bumper. I don't want to, so I'm not going to. Yeah. I am thinking about painting this car this color though, because
I'm gonna do it tonight.
I do like the color.
So imagine if we swap this and the doors, all he's got to paint is a few pieces.
Yeah, like the whole car.
It's way lower on this side than it is the other side.
Making oil now.
Yep, sure is.
Moisture up and down.
Doesn't have oil on it. Why would it be leaking oil?
Moisture comes off.
Burnout from yesterday.
Oh, I'm ready for it. Makes you deliver. Really blew the exhaust out there. Left a trip.
So here's where Jimmy's leaving us off, with the rear end sitting on the ground, all ready to go back in. Put the other wheels back on. Not that you can see because it's dark, but you have to hold down the power button or push the power button. Yeah. It's pretty bright, isn't it?
Okay, we'll use it to see if we get home. Freeze, please. What are you doing in there?
Oh, you turn on the strobe.
Right.
Oh man, now you got the SOS going.
No, I need it. I was gonna put it up here. I need help.
Anyway, get some tires for these wheels. Paint these wheels black. Put them on there.
Get them polished and get the tires off.
Still gonna paint them black.
That's a big no-no.
That's a big yeah. Anyway, this thing rides pretty rough with the V8 springs with the 4-cylinder in it. I don't know if you noticed. I sure did though. Alignment's still off, but that's just paperwork.